Hey, I'm Shane from Shane Law. This is Shane Spin. We're looking at dash cam videos and collisions. Okay, as a personal injury lawyer, it's one of the things I see all day long. I love these dash cam videos. They simplify everything, so we don't have to take anybody's word for anything, okay? We're following it. See the red light up in the top left-hand corner. Black car just cruises right along, smacked by that SUV, okay? It's easy here with the dash cam video. Without the video, it's pretty easy for the black car that's at fault to say, somebody else, I had a green light, okay? This particular case, we're protected because of the dash cam video, or that SUV is going to be anyway, okay? A lot of people think they can use the red light cameras at the intersection. Those are notoriously difficult to get, hard to get those to prove your case, okay? Dash cam videos are great for this. They show lights, they show who's at fault. If you've got them, use them. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999.